Have you ever wondered how houses in Korea would be? So this is the basement, and where you can see a series of houses here, and this is one of the houses that I'm going to show you. The entrance, you'll be getting a shoe rack. It's a huge shoe rack. And then you can see the kitchen directly. Once you enter, there is a shoe rack and the kitchen, and there's some space. And after that, there is one room. It's basically a one room kind of house, so that's why you can only see one room. And they also gave this attached wardrobes. I think for two people it's more than enough, but for a family more than two, I think it's not that recommended. So but the storage is so good that inside you can keep all your stuff, clothes, miscellaneous things and everything. I was just showing you in detail, but I would say houses in Korea are very tiny and sometimes congested. I would say you have to, hire a good broker so that he could show you all the houses. And outside the room, this is some space. The thing that you're seeing is a fridge, and they gave us dehumidifier and a washing machine, air conditioner, and this is the bathroom, which is cute and simple. And also book movers and packers for comfortable shifting. This is how we did. So he helps you with moving and packing, and this is the loaded truck.